Vamos a hacer porotos. I'm gonna make beans in the crock pot. Porotos en la maquinita. I left them soaking overnight. It's almost 8 in the morning. 7:50. First time I'm gonna make beans here, so es la primera vez que voy a hacer porotos, así que no sé cuánto se demoren. I don't know how long that would take. A lot of liquid. Sé que quiero que tengan harto jugo, harto líquido, porque yo los consumo como una sopa, or more like a stew. That's how I eat them, more like a stew. Based on my experience with the crock pot, every time I add liquid, like none of that liquid evaporates, which is completely different to when you cook on a pot, right? Porque es completamente distinto cuando cocinas en una olla, que tú añades líquido y sabes que por lo menos la mitad de ese líquido se va a evaporar. You know that no, you start with this amount of liquid, and that's almost 90% of that is what you're gonna get. So what we're gonna do, this is gonna be like a one pot beans Chilean style, because it's different, because this is not a chili. I think chilies usually have beef. This is not with beef ever. Well, sometimes it has some pork. A veces tiene chancho, cerdo. Yeah, but usually it doesn't have beef. Sausages it could have. Puede tener longaniza. So this is one full onion. Esta es una cebolla completa, blanca. Okay, so you have 5 sausages here, which is a lot. I'm just gonna use 3, I think. Solamente 3 longanizas vamos a usar. So you know what? I'm gonna turn the crock pot on. Voy a prender on high for 4.5 hours. 4 horas y media. So I'm gonna add this. So all the onions. Then I'm gonna chop the sausages. In the meantime, go subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Suscríbanse a mi canal. You can also subscribe to my other channels if you like plants. Si les gustan las plantas, se pueden suscribir también a mi otro canal, Rodrigo's Indoor Garden. It's all in the description. Está en la description of all of my videos. Está en la descripción de todos mis videos. My exploration channel, mi canal de exploración, donde muestro lugares de acá de Canadá. And sometimes when I go to Chile, explore with Rodrigo. Explora con Rodrigo, donde muestro lugares de acá de Canadá, lugares de Chile, Río. I'm gonna have 1 tomato, un tomate. I almost forgot. This is what we have from the meal that we cooked the other day. The pork loin. Este es el lomo de cerdo que cocinamos el otro día en la crock pot. So it has potatoes and carrots and onions. Tiene papa, zanahoria y cebolla. So I'm just gonna add it there too. También la vamos a añadir acá. So I'm gonna tell you guys what's going on with my channel, with my cooking channel. Les voy a explicar lo que está pasando con mi canal de cocina. So last year I was on maybe, I can't remember, maybe less than 500 followers, menos de 500 seguidores. And I started using promotions, you know, YouTube promotions to promote your videos, promote your channels, get more views, get more subscribers. Understanding that they would promote, right? Like what they say, promote the channel, like showing it to other users, you know, on the for you page or recommended or whatever, right? Yo empecé a usar las promociones de YouTube para tener likes, para tener más visitas, para tener más suscriptores. since it's all legal, ya que es todo legal, they said, because I actually asked, y les pregunté esto incluso, dijeron que como funcionaba es que ellos mostraban mi contenido a las páginas de personas o en videos recomendados en YouTube o lo que sea, pero a mucha gente le iba a aparecer mi contenido. And then boom, it exploded in a couple of days. Some celery also, voy a añadir un poco de apio. Yeah, so I did the promotion. I tried first with a video. I tried, probé con un video. Not much money. I think I used like, I don't know, $20 or something like that. Probably unos $20 en un video. And I noticed how the views skyrocket. Las visitas ¡pah! Se dispararon. Por decir de 50 a 3,000 en 3 días. Right? So views skyrocket from like 50 to 3,000 in like 3 days. And not only views, comments, likes, subscribers. So I was like, whoa, this really works. And then I started thinking, okay, I could really get monetized this year if I want to by using this, right? To show my channel to more people, and then it will be on its natural course. Y yo decía, y después va a seguir su curso natural. Anyway, I started promoting other videos that I thought that they could be pretty good and they could be discovered by people if I promoted them, and you know, and those views till today, those videos till today have the most amount of views, like around 10,000 views. Ya, y entonces esos videos llegaron a tener cerca de 10,000 visitas en mi canal, having 400, 500 followers, right? Teniendo 400 o 500 seguidores, llegué a tener 10,000 visitas en esos videos. I passed the 1,000. I even got to 4,000 or 5,000. Llegué a 5,000. So I was getting views, I was getting comments. All the comments were from bots, by the way. I just realized que todos los comentarios eran de bots, because they were very generic, very like fake. Like, oh, I've been following you since the start. I love your new approach or something like that. And I was like, I've been doing the same thing since it started and I've never seen you commented here. And the names of the people were very like user 1234xx blah blah. It was like a password. Ya los comentarios de la gente eran muy falsos, como que siempre he apoyado tu canal y siempre supe que lo ibas a hacer, que lo ibas a lograr. Y yo estaba así como que, pero si yo nunca te he visto a ti antes. Y además que tu nombre, the names were like, los nombres de la gente eran como passwords que no tenía sentido. And then 2 comments below. 2 comentarios más abajo, the same profile picture. And it was not a random profile picture of a cartoon or something like that. It was a real person. Era la foto de una persona real. So it's like, wow. Like, these people don't even have, they're not even smart to do it. You know, they put 3 different profiles with the same profile picture, making you believe that it's like 3 different people commenting. And comments that they don't make sense, you know? Like, I even got comments in different languages, you know, probably, I don't know. Anyway, and how I tried, I would answer in Spanish to these people and they would still reply to me in English like nothing. Even though there is a translation option and everything, but anyway. ¿Qué más pasó? I'm adding garlic and herbs also, a little bit. Yeah, so all the subscribers that you get are bots. All of them. Why? All of this thing works just while you are on the promotion. So if your promotion lasts 1 week, you're gonna be amazing during that 1 week. And after that, ¡pah! Huge drop. Una bajada gigantesca, caída gigantesca. Like you have no parachute. Como que no tienes ¿Cómo se llama la salvería? No, paracaídas. No tienes paracaídas. Así es la caída. And that's it, right? Like, I mean, nobody tells you anything. There's nothing you can do. So in this case, to me, the drop happened after 1 year. Just now. It started like 2 months ago. You know, one day I lost 50 subscribers. Then the next day or the next week I lost 200. Then the week after that 250. And now I am on like 450 subscribers now that I have lost. All in a drop like this. ¡Pah! And he perdido cerca de 400 suscriptores. Más, yo creo. Y yo creo que no va a parar. I think it's not gonna stop until they take everything that they gave me with the promotion. No va a parar hasta que me saquen todo lo que yo les di en la promoción. Because like, they cannot take the views away. No pueden quitarte las visitas. They could delete comments if they wanted to, but I was the one that deleted them. Yo borré los comentarios. YouTube puede borrar los comentarios si quiere, pero yo los borré porque no quería tener comentarios de bots. Pero lo que sí pueden hacer es eliminar a usuarios que son inactivos. And that's actually something that they do, usually once a year or something like that. YouTube una vez al año generalmente hace eso, de eliminar usuarios inactivos. But in this case, it's non-active users that they gave you through their promotion. ¿Cachai? En este caso son usuarios inactivos que te dieron ellos a través de su promoción. Entonces el problema es que that should be illegal because they already know that. Debería ser ilegal porque ellos ya saben eso. And the other issue that I have is like, well, what's gonna happen with my monetization? Am I gonna lose it now? It's very probable. Es muy probable que pierda mi monetización y the numbers keep going down. So, but at least even if I end up with 200, 300 followers, I know that those are real followers. Voy a saber que por lo menos mis seguidores son reales. So basically, don't do the promotions. No hagan las promociones. I didn't know. I tried it. It worked, but it's a fact that it works only for. It's like an illusion. Es como una ilusión. So that's it. I'll show you how the beans turn out. I think I didn't forget anything. Creo que no me olvidé de nada. Vamos a revisar los porotoskis. I'm gonna check on the beans. Though it's so warm today. Hoy día está tan caluroso que my luck. I don't want to eat them right now. No los quiero comer ahora porque hace mucho calor. See, all the liquid's still there. I think they turned out perfect. 4 hours. I'm not gonna try them because they're too hot.